there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
In this video, I'm going to take you on a journey to one of the most beautiful and vibrant islands in the world, Ibiza. This small island located off the coast of Spain has become known as the party capital of the world, but it's not just about the nightlife. Ibiza is also home to some of the most stunning beaches in Europe, and I'm here to show you some of my favorites. First up, we have Calacant. This beach is famous for its crystal clear waters, soft white sand, and breathtaking sunsets. The beach is split into two parts, and each one has its own unique atmosphere. The first part is perfect for families, with shallow waters and plenty of space to play. The second part is a bit more secluded and attracts more couples and solo travelers. Whether you're looking to relax or party, Calacant has it all. Next, we have S.E. Salines, located in the southern part of the island. This long stretch of white sand and clear blue water is perfect for sunbathing and swimming. The beach is surrounded by dunes and pine forests, which provide a beautiful backdrop for your Instagram photos. S.E. Salines is also home to some of the most popular beach clubs in Ibiza, such as Jockey Club and Sartrinxa, where you can sip cocktails and dance to some of the best DJ sets in the world. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel content.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!